In a speech delivered by Huawei founder and chairman Ren Zhengfei, he expressed his views on the serial attacks on China by American companies, which attracted widespread attention from the global media. He pointed out that the suppression of Chinese companies such as Huawei by U.S. companies has had a series of important impacts, and China's chip technology breakthroughs will trigger severe counterattacks. Looking back at recent events, the escalation of the Sino-US trade war and technology blockade actions have posed huge challenges to Chinese companies. In particular, the suppression of Huawei has caused Chinese high-tech companies to face huge difficulties. However, Ren Zhengfei emphasized China's breakthroughs in the chip field, which will bring more opportunities and challenges to Chinese companies. China has made important breakthroughs in chip technology, which is eye-catching. Through independent research and development and innovation, China has successfully narrowed the gap with developed countries and caught up with its opponents in a short period of time. These developments not only enhance China's position in global technological competition, but also inject confidence and motivation into Chinese high-tech enterprises. Ren Zhengfei called on Chinese companies to strengthen their innovation capabilities and continuously optimize and improve high-tech products. Facing the blow from the United States, Chinese companies need to be more determined to embark on the path of independent innovation to cope with external challenges and remain invincible on the global technology stage. At the same time, he also emphasized the importance of cooperation and mutual assistance among Chinese enterprises. Only by uniting can we better cope with external pressures. Breakthroughs in China's chip technology provide sufficient support for Chinese companies. The breakthrough in China's chip technology is undoubtedly a milestone in the development of China's high-tech industry. With China's rapid development in the chip field, Chinese companies' dependence on technology has gradually decreased, and an independent and controllable situation is gradually taking shape. This not only improves the status of Chinese companies in the global science and technology value chain, but also provides sufficient technical support for China's high-tech companies. Breakthroughs in China's chip technology are not only limited to improvements in research and development levels, but also involve the comprehensive advancement of technology industrialization and market application. China is gradually building a chip industry chain. From manufacturing to design, packaging and testing, it has gradually formed a chip ecosystem with independent intellectual property rights. This will not only play a positive role in promoting the development of Chinese enterprises, but also bring new changes to the global technology industry. Behind the breakthroughs in chip technology is China's continuous increase in investment and support for scientific and technological innovation. The Chinese government has successively introduced a series of policies and measures to strengthen support for the chip industry and cultivate a number of internationally competitive chip companies. These efforts have provided China's high-tech enterprises with sufficient technical resources and market opportunities, allowing them to gradually emerge on the global technology stage. Challenges and opportunities facing Chinese enterprises. Faced with the series of attacks by U.S. companies, Chinese companies need to face up to the current severe situation, and at the same time, they should also see the huge opportunities contained therein. First, Chinese companies need to improve their innovation capabilities. Independent research and development and innovation are the keys for Chinese companies to overcome difficulties. Ren Zhengfei emphasized this point in his speech. He encouraged Chinese companies to increase investment in research and development and strengthen their core technological capabilities in order to remain invincible in global technology competition. Secondly, Chinese companies also need to strengthen cooperation and mutual assistance. Only by uniting can we better cope with external challenges. Cooperation and mutual assistance between Chinese enterprises can share resources and technologies and promote common growth. At the same time, cooperation with international partners is also an important way for Chinese companies to obtain technology and market opportunities. Finally, Chinese companies also need to adapt to changes in global technological competition. The global science and technology landscape is undergoing profound changes. Chinese companies need to keep up with the pace of global science and technology development, strengthen the research and application of emerging technologies, and find new growth points and development opportunities. Only by continuous progress and innovation can Chinese companies achieve greater reputation and status on the global technology stage. Ren Zhengfei's speech allowed people to see the confident posture of Chinese companies in the face of external pressure. Chinese enterprises must face up to the current challenges, but they should also seize the opportunities and persist on the path of independent innovation. Only through continuous efforts and innovation can Chinese companies achieve greater success in global technological competition. At the same time, Chinese enterprises should also strengthen cooperation and mutual assistance, share resources and technologies, and promote common development. Only by uniting can we remain firm in the face of external blows and competition. Through cooperation with international partners, Chinese companies can further obtain technological and market opportunities and promote their own development. Finally, Chinese enterprises should continue to adapt to changes in global technological competition, keep up with the pace of global technological development, and look for new growth points and development opportunities. Only by continuously introducing new technologies and exploring new models can Chinese companies gain greater reputation and status on the global technology stage. To sum up, Chinese enterprises are facing unprecedented challenges and opportunities. By strengthening their own innovation capabilities, strengthening cooperation and mutual assistance, and keeping up with the pace of technological development, Chinese enterprises will surely achieve greater breakthroughs and development in the global technological competition. Ren Zhengfei's speech injected confidence and motivation into Chinese enterprises, and further strengthened the belief of Chinese enterprises to move forward courageously. Let China jointly witness the rise of Chinese enterprises on the global technology stage.